This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Great upgrades await in this affordable and spacious 2,000 square feet. New construction. Target completion September 15th. Open concept floor plan. Luxury vinyl that mimics wood in living areas. Ceramic tile flooring, laundry room and hall bathroom. You will also find ceramic tile in master bathroom along with double vanities and tub/shower. Carpeted stairway, upstairs hallway and bedrooms. Large master bedroom, walk-in closet and ceiling fan. Fabulous kit. Boasts granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and large pantry. Wall surfaces are textured knockdown finish. Abundance of windows in the living area allows lots of natural sunlight. For more information